Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix WhatsApp crash problem. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your app store and from here you search for this WhatsApp and tap on WhatsApp. From here you make sure that update your new version, and after that go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here you tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection and turn off this toggle, and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that go back and scroll down and tap on general. From here you tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset, and after that tap on again reset network setting, enter your passcode and tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on long press on your WhatsApp and tap on remove app and tap on delete app, and after a few minutes you have again install your WhatsApp, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.